Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version, so open HeyMelody application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see the same menu. Scroll down and at the bottom we have firmware version, it's the same as software. Now, all you need to have is just tap at this line. If nothing happened, it means that you have the latest software version. If you enter to the new menu, you can update your software version and at the bottom you will see the button download and install. You just tap at this button and wait until this update finished. Next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone, you can check it in the settings. If you have Android, it will move to save devices from my devices, but it depends on Android phone. Let's say on Realme, under the earbuds you have information in use if it connected and no information if it disconnected. On iOS, near to your earbuds, you will see information that is not connected. After that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone and then check in the application is it fixed. Next step is to perform a factory reset. You need to remove both your earbuds from the charging case. At the back side, right here at the top, we have touch areas and you need to press and hold these touch areas for at least 15 seconds. So press and hold. Here we go, now we can release fingers and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So, open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then, forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. Not all Android phones have it, maybe you need to just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Then click Pair New Device. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Now tap on them and click Pair. Then check is it fixed. If it doesn't, I recommend it to put your earbuds to the charging case and then fully charge your earbuds. If it doesn't help you, maybe you need to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!